Want to remove a contact from your Android but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete contacts on your Android smartphone. Now let's get started. Note that this video will demonstrate on a Samsung smartphone, but the steps for other types of Android devices should be fairly similar. To delete a contact on Android, first open the Contacts app. Find the contact you would like to remove and tap their name to open their contact entry. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then tap Delete. To confirm, tap Move to Trash. If you have more contacts you would like to remove, repeat these steps to delete each contact you want to remove. That's all it takes to delete contacts from your Android. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.